Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Sade. If you're new here, if you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today we're bringing a hair video in a different style though. I'm opening up the video all dolled up and ready to go because your girl is going out. I'm going to a little Jamaican jersey party, so you know I got my jersey on. It's not really a jersey, y'all. It's giving jersey though, because I just decided I was going like last minute. So anyway, this hair was sent to me by Ali Grace. All the details to the hair will be in the description box down below. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So y'all, let's get ready. Like I told y'all in the intro, I am getting ready to go to a party. It's my second time going out since I had my son, so I'm a little excited but nervous. I don't know. I'm excited to get a little break, but I'm also feeling a little nervous to leave him. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install the wig. I am not gonna do the ball cap method. Y'all know over here we don't really do it if we don't have to. And I think these braids are fresh enough that I don't really have to. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is what the wig looked like. I did co-wash it and bleach it. I kind of over bleached it a little bit, but it's nothing a little mascara or tint spray can't fix. So this is what the unit looked like. All the specs to the unit will be in the description box down below. I'm really excited to do this. It is curly. It's giving summer. You know, that summer curly vibe. So I'm excited to install it tonight. I think it will go well with the outfit that I'm planning on wearing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and place the wig on. Feels good. I love when I put a wig on my head and it just fits. Like this just sits on my head. Okay, I apologize in advance if y'all hear my air conditioner. It's hot. Okay, it's hot. It's like it was like 100 degrees today, so it's like crazy hot. I can't. All right, so I'm just trying to make sure that I got coverage from ear to ear. I do have to cut off a piece of it. My method to figure out how much of the ear tab I need to cut off, I'll just do that, and then it shows me exactly where I need to cut off, which is just about there. So, perfect. The ear tabs are perfect. I established that I love this Wonder Lace Bond from Even, the black one, so I need to go ahead and buy the big one because this is running a little low. Usually I do like 1 or 2 layers, but I'm gonna do 3 or maybe 4 because I am going out and it's hot and I might be sweating and stuff, and we don't want the lace lifting, so I'm just gonna do enough. I'm gonna do like maybe 4 layers of this. I'm doing this, I try to put as much tension on it as possible. Obviously I'm not gonna give myself like a headache, but sometimes I do. But I try to get as tight as I can possibly bear it, just to give it that pressure so that it like really melt. And I'll probably leave it for about like 10 minutes. My head started hurting, so it's time to take it off. It feels like it's on my head though, like it legit feels glued to my head. So I think we're ready to cut it. over it with some of the glue just to melt it out. And obviously through my cutting, some of the parts lifted, so I'm just spraying some of the glue. I'm going to take my tin spray and I'm going to spray. Well, I did spray a little bit off camera, but I'm going to spray some more. So now I'm going to take my wig grip spray, the olive oil one. And I'm just going to spray along the parting of the hair. This just helps to seal everything down. I'm gonna tie it down. Again, with the tension, I'm applying a lot of tension. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I switched the baby hairs around a little bit. I think I like these a little bit better. I kind of like made the center part to see how it would look, and I think I like this look better. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray them with the same olive oil spray. I'm actually just gonna spray the entire hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down, but I'm gonna tie it with this wrap. It's like the mousse wrap. It's not time for me to go out yet, so I'm not gonna do it just yet. I'm gonna just let this sit for a little bit. I'm probably gonna let this sit for the next like hour, just because it's gonna take me some time to get ready, and I'll come back and show y'all the finished product at the end. So this is the final product, period. Okay, period. It is very much giving. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye y'all.